Salam sejahtera to our lovely, awesome lecturer Puan Edelan Ahyun that teaches in DBM 113 Engineering Mathematics. How are you, madam? I hope you're doing great these days. And not to forget our fellow friends. How are you guys? And lend me your ear for a while, please, for this presentation. And today, this is our second present in DBM 113 Engineering Mathematics. And the topic that we're going to present is vector and scalar and architecture. To start our presentation, we have 4 members in our group. The first one is Muhammad Nizam, the second one is Fatira, and the third one is Clarence, and the fourth one is me, Anis. So, let's start our presentation, guys. Hello guys, my name is Anisarisa binti Rakim. My matrix number is 07DKA21F2067. I'm going to start this presentation with 1.0 Introduction of Vector and Scalar. What is vector and scalar means actually, guys? It is a quantity that has magnitude but no particular direction is described as scalar. A quantity that has magnitude and act in a particular direction is described as vector. What is actually scalar means? A scalar is an element of field which is used to define a vector space. A quantity described by multiple scalars, such as having a both direction. Example of scalar: volume, density, speed, energy, mass, and time. What is vector, guys? Vector in mathematics are quantity that has both magnitude and direction, but not position. Example of such quantities are velocity and acceleration. And more example is momentum, force, and etc. Vector been called vector, but why not related in mathematics word like plus, divide, and etc. It because vector states conide, the word that's meaning IJK, the part of Guaranian. Who introduced vector? It's Willard Gibbs and Oliver Hillside of the United States and Britain. Independently developed vector analysis to express the new law of electromagnetic discovered by the Scottish. Who invented scalar, guys? It's Nikola Tesla, the father of scalar energy, was one of the greatest geniuses of all the time and one of the world's most gifted inventor. He developed ideas and technologies which were far ahead of his time. 1.2. We're still in the first topic of introduction of vector and scalar. Let us take a look at example question in this topic. If you take a look, the first question of vector, it's given a graph y exists and x exists. Given the following vector, AO, determine the A position vector, B magnitude of vector, C unit vector. As you can see, this is the example of the first question of vector. As you can see below the question, it got a answer on it. You can take a look of it. And the second question is apply scalar. Algebraically, if given vector OA equal x1i plus y1j and OB x2i plus y2j, then the scalar product for the vector is calculated as OA dot OB equal x1 x2 plus 1 y1 y2 for the 2D vector, or OA dot OB equal x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2 for 3D vector. As you can see, they got actually such an unique got dot in the center of the OA and OB. As you can see, under this below on the question, it got example of the answer been given. And that's all from me, Anisarisa.
Hello, my name is Nizam. Right now, I will explain the 2.0 application of vector in selected areas. So, this is the Palestina Lukisaba, and let's we look the vector in selected areas. Question 1. If OP equals to 4i plus 2j and OQ equals to 5i plus 11j, find A, PQ, and B, 2PQ. Okay, we move to 2.1 for the solution. In the figure, question 1. They have a detail for P and Q, which is P equals to 4i plus 2j, and then the Q equals to 5i plus 11j. I repeated the question. If OP equals to 4i plus 2j and OQ equals to 5i plus 11j, find A, PQ, and B, 2PQ. We look for the solution for question 1, which is PQ equals to what? So the PQ equals to OP plus OQ, and then it becomes a negative OP plus OQ, and we have a negative bracket of 4i plus 2j plus a bracket of 5i plus 11j. Bring it down, it becomes a negative bracket of 4i plus 2j plus a bracket of 5i plus 11j. And then we have the formula for the OP. A negative of x plus equals to what? And the OQ, a positive x plus equals to what? Then we have a negative 4i minus 2j plus 5i plus 11j. Then it becomes a negative 4i plus 5j minus 2j plus 11j. And the final answer for the question A, we have a I plus 9j. Okay, this is the solution for question B. 2PQ equals to 2OP plus OQ. And we have 2, a negative of OP plus OQ. Then 2 equals to a bracket of negative 4i plus 2j plus a bracket of 5i plus 11j. Then we have a formula for OP. Negative x plus equals to what? And the OQ plus positive x plus equals to what? And the solution, we have 2 minus 4i minus 2j plus 5i plus 11j. And then bring it down, we have 2 minus 4i plus 5i minus 2j plus 11j. And then we have an answer for 2i plus 9j. And the final answer, we have the answer for question B, we have 2i plus 18j.
Hi, my name is Fatira binti Abdullah with Tomatric 07 DKA21F2036. I will present about the application of scalar dot product of two vectors in selected area. In question 2, based on figure below, OA equal to I minus 3j plus 4k and OB equal 4i minus 3j minus k. The given A is OA dot OB and the B is the value of theta. The solution for A is OA dot OB equal to 2 open bracket 4 close bracket plus open bracket minus 3 close bracket and open bracket minus 3 close bracket plus 4 open bracket minus 1 close bracket. The answer is 8 plus 9 minus 4. Then total it, the answer is 13. So the answer for OA dot OB equal to 13. So to find the value of theta is OA dot OB equal to OA OB cos theta. Then first step is 13 equal to square root 2 of 2 plus open bracket minus 3 close bracket of 2 plus 4 of 2. times square root 4 of 2 plus open bracket minus 3 close bracket of 2 plus open bracket minus 1 close bracket of 2. So the answer is 13 equal to square root 29 times square root 26 times cos theta. Cos theta you must to bring to in front. Then the answer is cos, open the big bracket with 13 over square root 29 and square root 26 close big bracket equal to theta. So the answer is 61.74.
Okay, for the conclusion, actually vectors have a crucial role in our daily life as well as engineering. In engineering, vectors are used to express quantities that have both a magnitude and a direction. For analysis, many engineering quantities such as force displacement, velocities and acceleration must be represented as vector. And then, so as we know that vectors are used in any activities, vectors and scalar are important in many fields of math and science. Vectors can be defined in two-dimensional or three-dimensional space. Vector graphics are sometimes used in computers because they can be scaled to a larger size without losing any image quality. Okay, for the Q&A, by following the diagram, show a pyramid O, A, B, C, D in which the vertical edge OD is 3 units in length. The point E is the center of the horizontal rectangular base of ABC. The sides OA and AB have lengths of 6 units and 4 units respectively. The unit vector I, J and K are parallel to OA, OC and OD respectively, and this question asking you to express each of the vectors dB and DE in terms of I, J and K, and you can get 2 marks. And next, this question asking you to use a scalar product to find angle BDE, and you can get 4 marks. And then that's all. Good luck and hope you can answer this question well. And if you have a question, please leave the question on the section below. Thank you.